This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Burma Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze-MF Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, awning, self-contained, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, Skylight, slide-out, stove-top burner, water heater, leveling jacks, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.